Yeah, so are you.
Dad, Darlene threw a sneaker at me.
Darlene, what's the matter with you?
I know, I missed him. I shouldn't have rushed the throw.
Oh, look at this mess. You better get that picked up before your mom gets home.
Where am I gonna put it? I can't get in my room.
Why not?
The queen of the universe locked me out.
Becky, open that door.
And before she locked me out, she pushed me out of the room. I mean, if I wasn't so athletically gifted, I might have fallen down the stairs. Dad.
Where are you going?
Out.
Hey, you be home in time for supper.
I thought she was grounded.
Darlene, now you got your room back. Now clean this stuff up. Hi, babe. How was your day?
Great. Some kid called me sir. I told my boss I'm not wearing that hat again. Darlene, will you help me set the table, please?
It's not my night, it's Becky's night. Shall I call her?
Yeah, get her down here.
Becky! Oh, that's right. She's out.
What do you mean she's out?
As in not home? Derived from the English words at the mall.
I told her to be home by supper.
You let her go? She's grounded, Dan.
She is?
Yeah.
Well, I guess I've been naughty.
It's not funny.
No kidding. She locked me out of my room.
Well, she is only human.
And practically threw me down the stairs.
See, that's why she's grounded. Because she's acting awful and her attitude stinks.
Plus, she's not even here to set the table. And it is her night. But I'd be happy to do it because, hey, whatever's good for my family's good for me.
Just set the table, Darlene. Suck up. It's 20 to 7, Dan.
Uh-huh. Say, is there any of that, bread?
Yes, there is. Is that your subtle way of asking me to bring you the bread?
Sorry, babe. Didn't mean to be subtle.
Mom, you have any milk?
Not anymore, but there's some in the fridge.
Nice, Elsie.
Why, if it isn't Becky Connor, long-lost daughter of Dan and Roseanne Connor.
Uh-huh.
So kind of you to join us.
Is this supposed to be dinner?
No, this is the cocktail hour before dinner.
These beans are totally lifeless, Mother. If you'd steam them instead of boiling them, they might be edible.
Is there a problem?
No.
Where were you, Becky?
Hanging out.
Chicken.
Coming at you.
Well, you weren't hanging out here, which is where you're supposed to be hanging out, because you're grounded, remember?
Let's see what you'll come up with now.
I forgot, okay? I'm sorry.
Hey, how about losing the attitude, huh? Now, I asked you where you were, and I want an answer.
Mom's waiting, Rebecca.
But out, Darlene.
Any answer. Come on, lie to me.
Do you have to know where I am every moment of my life?
Yes.
I was at the mall, okay? I got off the bus, walked directly into Rodville's, where I met Diane and Sammy. We three stood near the entrance to the theaters, goofed on some mall cop named Ronaldo, split some fries, and came home. Is that specific enough?
Who paid for the fries?
Now watch me be specific. Thanks to that nasty, snotty attitude of yours, you get to spend another 7 fun-filled days and nights on the second floor of 714 Delaware Street.
You are not going to ground me for another week.
You want to push
Mother.
it for 2?
You're so weak.
Hey, I don't know what's gotten into you lately, young lady.
I don't want to hear it.
Hey, you apologize to your mother.
You're being totally unfair just because I don't want to eat your stinking beans.
Wrong. I am being totally unfair because that is my job. Now you sit down and have a nice dinner with your family.
I hate you.
Hey.
I say disown her. Hey, Geeky, why are you in such a mood?
You wouldn't understand.
Yeah, well, it's getting old.
Darlene, who asked you?
No one asked me. I'm telling you. You're really hurting Mom's feelings, Becky. And the next time you sound off on her, I'm gonna punch your face in.
Whatever.
Come on, Pudge. I'll hit you 3 times before you even touch me.
Go to bed.
I don't want to go to bed.
Darlene, give me back my covers.
What covers? Ow, ow, ow.
You really think Mom's upset?
You know she is.
Good, she deserves it.
For what, butt nose?